Hello guys, I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this hitmost balloons problem of the day of GFG. So in this problem we are given a infinite two-dimensional grid, infinite two-dimensional grid like this is infinite. Like I am arguing it like it is infinite grid which does not have any uh, limitation to its boundaries of x and y coordinate. It can be as maximum as possible and as minimum as possible. Okay, it can go up to 0 to int max or int min, long. Okay, it is infinite row dimension grid. Okay, and there are n balloons here, n is equal to 3, and these are the coordinates of those n balloon in these infinite grid. Suppose one balloon is here, other balloon is here, and the third one is here. So in this problem we have to find out the maximum number of balloons we can fire in one arrow shot, and we have an array, and we have an arrow, and suppose if this is a balloon, then our starting point is this balloon, our ending point is this particular balloon. Then how many maximum balloon we can fire in this straight line path? Like from this I fire my from this straight path I throw my arrow to here, like here. From this particular point or from any particular point I can start and I can throw balloon arrow in any direction in which I want. Okay, in which I want, but it should be a straight line. Arrow should be go straight. Okay, it cannot do any pending or etc. It should be a straight line. So from a particular point we can throw our array in any direction, our arrow in any direction. It's arrow. So basically I am saying array again and again because I am habitual of array. So in this problem we can, according to output, we can burst or fire three balloons, all three. So 1 2 2 3 and 3 4. Suppose this is our array. Wait a minute. Suppose I am just, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, and this is 3. So what are the coordinates? 1 2 1 and 2, this 2 3 3 4, 2 and 3. Okay, 3 and 4, this 3. So from this we will start. I just changing the color. Take this color. From here I throw yeah, it's white. So this, so from this I will start to throw it in this direction. So this balloon got burst, this balloon also got burst, or we can fire all three balloons. So that's why output is equal to 3. Here output is equal to 2. Why? 220012, 220012. Now taken some 220012. Okay, 0 and 0, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So how many balloons you can fire? If we fire this and this, then two balloons, this and this, two balloons. In other direction if I will fire, then I will always got one as answer, because I can only able to burst this particular balloon. So from here I can burst his balloon, from here I can burst his balloon, or if in any other direction from this I will throw my arrow, then I will only got able to burst this particular balloon. From this also I can throw it here, I can throw it here to throw it here to go to the maximum of two answers. So maximum two balloons I can fire here. Suppose this is what we are taking. So how we will find the maximum number of balloons we can fire out? So here basically the one condition or one thing you all also understand, from a particular point we have to throw our array in a particular direction. So one thing I can say you, the slope of this line will always be equal. Means this the slope or this line should be straight, and it should cut x-axis at any single point. Suppose it cut here x-axis. Okay, then the slope is always equal. So we can find out a slope means tangent. We can find out if the tangent of four different times four different point are equal from one particular point x and y, and suppose our n is equal to 50, n is equal to 50, suppose n is equal to 50, and xy is a particular xy is a single point among them, and four different point to xy be able like ab a1 b1 to a4 b4, four different point a4 and b4 able if we mark like this is x, this is a1 b1, this is a2 b2, a3 b3, a4 b4, in one direction I can burst them all. Suppose this is the line in which we got, then it is equal to 4. Okay, four different points. So from this point, suppose here any other point, like here many other point. Okay, suppose it is as of now, this is my x comma y as of now, and we are throwing it in this direction. So this one, these 4 points are passed down. So total number of balloons we can fire out is equal to, and suppose here in xy we have 5 balloons in xy. So in xy we have balloons in xy. At a single point we can have more than one balloon also, so we can have 5 balloons. So total number of balloon we can burst is 4 plus 5, means 4 balloons in the path and 1 balloons from our starting 5 balloon. So 5 balloon we are throwing, we are starting here, and we fire 5 balloons, and in the path we are fire 4 extra balloons. So total 5 plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 number of balloons we can fire out if we throw an array from this particular point to this direction. So here we have to find out the slope or tangent, and our answer will be get. And as you can see, our n is equal to up to 1000 only, and time complexity n square, so we will do it in n square as well. Okay, so this is our given function, array of pair and pair, and int. So our we will take int answer is equal to 0. This will store our answer, and for each point we are taken each point as the starting point in our array. Like here n is equal to 50, and for each 50 point I will taken it as the starting point of my array, this as the starting point of my array. Okay, so here, and I will take another map for each particular point, double and int. Why double and int? Double will store the slope of my tangent. How will you measure that this is a single line and this is other line? How will you find out whether these both have the same slope or not? By calculating its slope or tangent angle, basically this angle with x degree, whether this line is this line like this pass like this, we will always found the angle with x-axis. Okay, and so I am taken c is equal to 0 to mx is equal to 0. Now y, yeah, is c will store the same number of point I will got here, like xy 5 balloons. If 5 balloons are on xy, then coordinate also is equal to xy. So xy, so for each integer j and n, my a will store the x coordinate arr I of her, and b will store the y coordinate of my starting balloon. And for each point my x will store the x coordinate of those balloon, and y will store the y coordinate of those balloon. Okay, and if the x and y coordinate are equal, then I just do c++ and doing continue is not necessary because I am writing down it. So you can take it. Then I will take a slope and calculate its slope. Now how we can calculate slope? It is very easy, b minus y divided by a minus x. Now I am giving you 2 point a and b, and 2 point a, b and xy. How will you find out the slope of these 2 points? In math, in general mathematics, a very simple formula, y minus b and x minus y. It is equal to the slope. Slope basically m. We say m is equal to slope basically. In 10th you should study m is equal to slope. So we are taken it as slope. Slope is equal to b minus y into a minus x. Now we are multiplying it with 1.0 in each side to convert it to double, or you can use bracket float is equal to float. Okay, then we are incrementing the value of that slope and calculate the point, calculate the maximum, the point on the mx will store the maximum number of point of a particular slope. Like from here, as I will tell you, there are many points from this point. Suppose one direction here, one direction here, and we will calculate in each direction. If we throw our arrow, then how many point will we can fire out, we can able to fire out in this particular direction. We will calculate it by slope. So m slope will basically store the number of balloons that we can fire out if we throw our arrow in this particular direction with value is equal to given slope. Okay, and after ending of this for j loop, I will update my answer also. This answer is my final answer to maximum of answer or c plus x. Mx is the total number of balloons in the path of same tangent or slope, and c is the number of balloons who have same starting point. So I am just running it. You can see completed. Oh, I am submitting it now. So you can see all 152 test cases are passed out. So, and I explain you very simply, just using some mathematics. It is some mathematics problem. From a particular point you can throw arrow in any direction, and we have to find out the maximum number of balloons we can fire out in a particular direction. Okay, and in a particular direction if we throw a arrow, then slope of from our starting point will always be equal, and I'm calculating the maximum over there. So I hope you will understand it. If you still have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. So for now, you can subscribe the channel, like the video, check out my channel for more GFG solution. So for thank you for watching this, and please like the video, subscribe the channel. Once again, I am saying thank you.